Hi, Isabella. Push it. Push down the plunger. Okay. Harder.
Yay! Jasper! Oh, you like Jasper, huh?
He's so inside.
Poor Jasper. Where's the doggy?
Can you sign doggy, Isabella? Isabella, can you sign doggy? Not right now. Where's the doggy, honey? Isabella, can you sign doggy? Can you sign doggy? Okay, not right now. Push on the plunger hard. Whoa. Push it down harder, honey, like this. See? And then they go back in there, like that. Push it down hard. Like this. I'll show you. Give me a hand. There you go. Oh, they fell out. Let's put them back in his mouth. There we go. Let's try again. Yeah. There you go. Go. She's like, it's too complicated. There we go.
Yay!
You gotta see them coming out of the mouth though, so let's turn this around. Okay, now try.
They're gonna not come out.
I know. Like, I'll just shake them out. I'm almost out of tape here.
Yay! What's that?
Look at her. Oh, it fell. Today's March 6th, by the way. Oh, there they are. Grab them. Grab them from the mouth.
What's she doing to her eyes?
Silly girl.